Okay, for our first breathing exercise, we're going to do a breath with sound. Now, before we start, I really want to talk about the diaphragm. So the diaphragm is this muscle that wraps around just underneath or just at the bottom of our rib cage. And along with the intercostal muscles, it is the main muscle for our breathing, and we don't engage it enough. So in this exercise, I want you to breathe in, breathe out with a sound, which we'll go through soon, and then we breathe in and breathe out without sound. And then we keep repeating that cycle of 4 breaths for about 5 minutes. So we breathe in, and then we breathe out with a hum. Now, I don't want you to strain that out breath when you're humming, because I just want it to be very natural and flowing. So we're going to then, after we've done the first inhale and exhale with sound, so it'll just be an inhale and an exhale without sound. And then we're going to repeat that cycle. So I'm going to show you an example of what the 4 breath cycle should look like. There you go. So don't push that hum, just let it go. You'll notice that one of my hums was stronger than the other one, and you just let it go. It's not about being perfect, it's about feeling that hum in your chest and in your diaphragm. How does it feel? How is it vibrating in your body? So really focus on your diaphragm when you're doing that exhale with the hum, and take note of how it feels compared to the exhale that you do without the hum. Okay, so that's breathwork exercise number 1. See you in the next video.